Imagine a future where your passion for health and wellness not only transforms lives, but also rewards you for every effort you make. Welcome to the Healthy Hydration Affiliate Referral Program, where turning hydration into a lifestyle opens doors to endless opportunities. What is our affiliate program? It's your gateway to earning and learning simultaneously. With every direct sale, enjoy a generous 20% commission. And the rewards don't stop there. Earn 10% on indirect sales and an additional 5% on overrides. But what makes being an affiliate with us stand out? Apart from the financial gains, it's the benefits that truly enrich your life. Dream of a laptop lifestyle? It's now within your reach. Our program equips you with a state-of-the-art CRM system, allowing you to manage and grow your business from anywhere in the world. Elevate your expertise with our exclusive Hydrogen Water Sales course and High-Level Mindset course. And the Legacy Leaders Academy awaits to transform your potential into greatness. This is more than a program, it's a community, a place where like-minded individuals come together to create a legacy of health, wealth, and freedom. Join the Healthy Hydration Affiliate Referral Program today. Empower yourself and others to stay hydrated, healthy, and financially free. Your new lifestyle awaits. Healthy Hydration, where every drop counts and every effort is rewarded.